Hello, everybody. This is Nisha Parveen, representing Trade Promotion Council of India, and I welcome you all to this exclusive Food Frontiers episode series. And in today's session, we have with us Mr. Rajesh Rabadiya, Managing Director and CEO of Spiceness, a leading manufacturer and exporter of processed food in spices with a strong commitment to quality and innovation, Mr. Rajesh has successfully guided the company in sourcing premium ingredients and developing a diverse range of products, including spices, cooking paste, and dehydrated foods. Under his leadership, Spiceness has positioned itself as a trusted supplier in both domestic and in international market. The company's extensive product lineup comprising over 90 different food items is dedicated to meeting the evolving demands of modern consumers while ensuring taste and nutritional value. Mr. Rajesh's vision for Spiceness emphasizes a customer-centric approach and sustainable practices, which aims to elevate the brand's reputation. As a quality manufacturer, his expertise and dedication to excellence have been instrumental in driving growth and fostering a culture of innovation within the company. And we are excited to have you, sir, in our podcast to discuss your journey, the challenges and triumphs of running a company, and your vision for the future of Spiceness. Welcome, sir.
Yes, Nisha, namaste. I really feel proud to join with you. I really honor and respect what TPCI is doing as on date, what marvelous achievement you did out of the Indus food. So really thankful for you to join with me and give me opportunity to represent the spiciness on your platform. Spice Nest journey started in 2011 when small dreams as a farmer's son. We always belongs with the spices, pulses, and all the grocery products what we are eating as of all the people during nowadays.
Hmm.
So as our background is from farmers, my father, my grandfather all comes from the farming background and myself also with the agriculture background. So my keen interest was in the agriculture and I have developed my career in agriculture. So in 2011, we have started our factory manufacturing facility in Rajkot. It's in a small city in Gujarat, India. So we have started
Hmm.
with the cooking paste range and spices range. In beginning, we have started peeled garlic, garlic paste, ginger paste, spices. All we are exporting in beginning 2 to 3 countries only. Then day by day, we have increased our portfolio in product range. Then we have started to export more than 25 countries as of now. So team also going to be growing. Company is also growing. So nowadays we have more than 150 people in our company who is working with us and tirelessly we are giving service to our customer in more than 25 countries. Currently, we are exporting in USA, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Russia, Gulf countries, almost most of countries where directly or indirectly we are connected through our customer or merchant exporter.
Okay.
So it is the journey where we have started Spice Nest.
Hmm. And with your extensive range of products, including cooking paste and spices, what criteria do you use, to develop new products? And how does Spiceness ensure that it meets the changing taste and dietary preferences of consumers?
Yes. Nisha, one thing is very interesting. When we think about one home, if there is a three member in one home, husband, wife, and one son or daughter, each three people or four people, they like different taste. In one home, there is a not any similar taste. Wife like other product, son like something else, some different pizza, pasta. So each member of the one home, they like different taste. So when we come to talk on the food, then in every possibility we have to develop to taste for each and every people who is consuming this food. So taste is always the preference for each and every people. But when we talk about the taste, simultaneously we have to also develop the healthy food. So when we are developing new food products, our R&D team continuously working on it. When we get some demands from the customer, some feedback from the customer, some feedback from the consumer, so we first do brainstorming on it. What is the possibility? What we can get the business opportunity of that new range? So this way, our team analyze the what is the current trend of the food, and then we are developing new products. You know, when we are as a manufacturer, we have to think everything from sourcing of ingredient, processing machineries, technologies, and after all this development, we have to also focus whatever we are manufacturing. It must be healthy for each and every people. So this way we have to develop new product. After developing even product, we have to give lot of sampling to our customers.
Hmm.
After sampling, we get lot of feedback from someone like salty, someone like spicy. So
Yeah,
after getting the all feedback, we have to again
I like
work on the
spicy food.
sample, and then we get the final. Yes. This way only long process to develop new product.
Okay, good to know that that is actually true because even at the same house, people have different taste palette. So, as the MD and CEO, how do you instill a culture of quality within your organization? And what processes are in place to guarantee that every product meets the high standard expected by the customers?
Nisa, one thing is very interesting in the food business. One is quality and second is the taste. This is a both side of the one coin. If you are maintaining taste and not maintaining the quality, then your product is failed. So you have to maintain both things. Culture of the quality must be in each and every companies. Otherwise, your whatever the product, it will be failed in shelf life, it failed in taste, it failed in giving the healthy food. So when we come to work on the quality, we have to set up very specific SOP. Otherwise, we will not provide the what is the expected food of our consumer. When we talk about the quality, our staff has maintained the SOP each and every step of the processing of the food. We have to inspect it first. Second thing, we have to also keep the third party audit in our facilities. So they are coming in our facilities, they are maintaining records, they are check the all the facilities, they are check what we are implementing practices and what is the our certifications guidelines. So third party audit is also important. So we have a certification like BRC, we have certification like USFDA, we have certification like ISO. So all certificates we have to maintain. And for organic product, we have certification of the NPOP and NOP. So all certification audits comes regularly in our company. They come regular interval, they checking everything, and then we are getting the culture of the quality. This is the only one way what we found to maintain the quality in Spice Nest.
I'm happy to know that the spiciness have a lot of certifications, of quality standards. So, uh, My next question to you is, as the food industry is continuously evolving, what are the current trends you see influencing the market, particularly in the realm of organic and processed food? And how is Spiceness capitalizing on these trends?
Yes, I told Nisa when we started with the very limited product range, but nowadays we have a wide range of the all kind of the products in SpiceNet portfolio. We are serving to our customer all spices as well as ground spices, pulses, and other grocery product. When we comes on the processed food, we are a wide range of the cooking paste like garlic paste, ginger paste, chili paste, mint paste, every kind of the vegetable paste we are manufacturing in our facility. When we talk about the concentrate and pulp, so we are also manufacturing tomato pulp, mango pulp, tamarind concentrate. This all kind of the concentrate and pulp we are manufacturing. When we talk about the sources, we have developed wide range of the sources, which is maybe useful for the Indian public as well as some native public of the globally, like barbecue sauce, sriracha sauce, light soya sauce, dark soya sauce. These are the sources where not only limited with the only Asian peoples, but most of globally these sources are consumed by globally. So we have a wide range of the sauces, cooking paste, and when we talk about the organic, we have also certified manufacturing facility for cooking paste, organic garlic paste, organic ginger paste. These are the new trends. When we talk about the organic, when we talk about the vegan, people always the health conscious. They are always attract with some kind of the pesticide-free product. So we have developed very wide range of the products where all kind of the customer where they can get solution from Spice Nest.
And as reflecting on your experience of over 13 year, in this role, what are some significant challenges you have faced in the spice industry, and how have you navigated these challenges, and what have you learned from them? Or any suggestion or any policy support that you want from government, please.
Nisa, when talk about the my company, what challenges we are facing at this moment? You know, Nisa, food is a seasonal kind of the availability of ingredients. For mango, you have to only 3 months where you have to store everything. So likewise, every ingredients availability is very limited. So we have to stock in huge inventory. So always be that challenges for price fluctuation. Nowadays, you have also seen the things how prices is shoot sometimes it will be goes too down. But we have to committed with our customer to provide the continuously and consistent price with the economic way so they can also do more and more business. So in food business, we have to more challenges comes in the stock of that inventory. When we talk about the global challenges, like we have to depend on the sea freight, transit time. These are the challenges where every day war situation happens and transit time become too long. Some war situation happens and freight what we had decided before 1 month and after 1 month it will be totally different. This is the challenges by affecting to each and every companies of exporting. And when we come talk on the policy, uh, in 13 years, we have seen when some people is re-importing their cargo at that time. Re-importing is very difficult in our countries because our norms is not understanding somewhere exporter and our local authorities appointed by government. That is the major work we have to work on the policy ground. Government has to understand how re-import can make easily. Sometimes we have to some problem happens in import that container again to India. But at that time, our policies are not good as perspective of the exporter.
Good to know that, sir.
Yes, Nisa,
And
can you hear me?
yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Hmm. So my next question to you, how has technology influenced your operations at, Spiceness? And are there any specific innovation that your team is currently exploring or implementing to enhance productivity or product quality? Over to you,
When
sir.
we talk about the technology in food processing, when we talk about the technology in the food industry, one recipe have more than two ingredients. So each ingredients come different quality. Technology can help us in the traceability. Without technology, we cannot trace any ingredients, any problems, or what is the actual problem happens in that batch. So technology has required compulsory nowadays for development of the business as well as the traceability of the food ingredients. Our all the teams maintain all the records in ERP, so they are maintaining all record of the food production, they are maintaining the production process stage, they are maintaining the order stage where it reach. So technology is only one way, what I believe, that can give complete solution to customer as well as the manufacturer.
Good to know that, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. And so my last question to you is for today's discussion. Looking forward, what is your vision for Spiceness in the next 5 to 10 years? And how do you plan to adapt to ongoing changes in consumer preferences and industry dynamics?
Nisa, when we talk about the vision, as a specialist, I have always seen my brand represent in more than 25 countries. This is my first vision. We have to serve more than 25 countries where specialist brand strongly represent their portfolio. This is my first vision. Organic segment, we can become a big leader to provide respective price to our farmer as well as healthy food to each. We have always been in our mind to represent spiciness as a strong as well as our supplier, our real supplier, and they must get real price, hard work. So our supplier can become very strong and our brand become very strong globally. This is my vision, and day by day we are entering in mainstream market. When we talk about the mainstream market is the market where native people consume other than Indian food. Then and only we can serve Spiceness as a strong brand.
So yeah, I mean, we are at the end of the session today. I mean, thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting the invitation. And once again, we are, I mean, I am glad that we had this discussion, about this spiciness story, what kind of challenges you face, what is your vision, and you are almost serving 25 countries, customers, and different varieties of consumer preferences. And I do believe, like even the same product, like what, let's say for example, chili, you are exporting chili, so there are 25 countries, and that chili would be, I think that the chili would be having different categories, like less spicy, more spicy, according to preferences of the customers, or different kind of products. Good to know that all. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
With you, and TPCI always be my first preference because of the TPCI has given us good opportunity in Indus food as well as the buyer seller meet, and we get lot of business due to TPCI. Thank you, Nisha.
Good